Hey there! In this video, we're going to help you identify the potential reasons for why you got turned down for that credit card. Getting denied for credit cards is a very common and very frustrating issue. You apply, get turned down, and aren't even told why. At this point, a lot of people either give up or keep applying for cards they know they won't get approved for. But not you. You came to the perfect place, and we are happy to have you here. Just like any problem, to resolve it, you have to find the root cause. There are honestly quite a few reasons you can be denied a credit card, but we'll go over a bunch so you can find the solution to your credit card approval woes. Let's get into it. First off, your loan balances could be too high. If your loan balances are high, credit card issuers might not be excited to give you a credit card. You can become a little bit more enticing by paying down some of those loan balances. Your credit card balances could be too high as well. If the cards you already have are maxed out or your credit utilization ratio is too high, you're on the short path to being denied. Try to keep that credit utilization ratio at 30% or below. Often, people have a credit score that is too low for the credit cards they're applying for. If you apply for something out of your range, then you aren't going to get approved. You can either improve your credit score or apply for a lower level card instead. Inquiries. Inquiries aren't typically seen as particularly harmful to your approval chances, but it is easy to rack them up quickly. Avoid applying for too many credit cards or loans within a short period of time because it could cause you to get denied. Sometimes your income might just be too low. If you don't make enough money for a particular card or you don't have an income of your own, you just might not meet income requirements. Next up, your last delinquency could be too recent. Credit card companies don't just look at the type of delinquencies, but they also consider how recent they were. The more recent the missed payments are, the more likely they are to cause you to be denied. You may already have too many credit cards. The number that's considered too many varies from company to company. But if you already have a lot of cards, this could potentially be a problem. If you have recent collections or public records, you may have a pretty big X marked on your application. These are a signal to lenders that you don't have the money to pay your bills, or you just don't pay them. Having a charge-off on your report is another red flag to credit card issuers. If you have one of these on your credit report, companies will be unlikely to trust that you'll pay them as agreed. A thin credit file or limited credit history could cause you to be denied a credit card as well. This is because credit card companies just aren't inclined to trust new credit users. Considering a secured credit card here could help you get started. Now, this one is very situational, but still worth mentioning for our younger viewers. It's hard to get approved for some cards under the age of 18, as that's the legally required age to get a credit card. There are some exceptions here, such as becoming an authorized user. And lastly, if this is the reason you were declined, then you may just have the easiest fix. You may not have completely filled out the application. If there's any missing information, you risk being denied. Plain and simple. Make sure you check all the boxes. Like I said before, there are numerous potential reasons that can result in application denial. Hopefully now you have some idea as to what is holding you back. If you want to learn more, check out our video that tells you how to get approved for every credit card you apply for. Hey, thanks for watching. Here's a joke for you. What do you call a werewolf YouTuber? Like and subscribe! Speaking of which, you should like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about credit. We release new videos every week that you wouldn't want to miss. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a full moon to catch.